This is Terrence Andre Banks with Information Age Financial Solutions, coming to you again about the real estate market. And I did a couple of videos in the past about just recently about what's going on with lenders in terms of real estate, in terms of flipping houses, or if you're looking for investment loans and how that's changing. Well, I want to kind of piggyback on the one I did about forbearance. And with so many different videos going on out there and so much information and giving I'm going to say optics that everything is going to be okay. The banks are going to let you postpone payments, and if you were getting ready to face eviction, and eviction is going to be postponed for a period of time. It's not really stressed enough that these options are not widely available. I know Bank of America announced they're working with borrowers, and I believe Wells Fargo has as well for particular homeowners. But again, I'm stressed again, this is not widespread. It will be done with communication, and many people have not been through the last crash that was in 2007, 2008. They weren't operating real estate in that particular time. There's a lot of things going on. And I want to state again that banks don't do anything without because most of the rules are made for banks. So take that in consideration. If they're providing you an option here or giving you the optics that, hey, we're going to be able to work with you and everything is going to be okay, we're on your side, that has not really been the case. And it's not stressed enough about there will be a price to be paid for that. If they're working with you, take into consideration they're not doing it for free. Many people have the impression that they'll be able to put their real estate payments on the back end of the loan. That may not be true. And secondly, if they're giving you a forbearance time where you're not paying for those couple months, once that particular passway where you're not paying and you say, I'm going to be able to pay in maybe 6 months, they're going to expect all the payments that were back that they forbeared, I guess that's not even a word, but put off for that particular time to be paid back. And if you were getting ready to face eviction in your apartment, that, as a landlord, they're not going to, I know for myself as a landlord, I'm going to work with you, but I'm not going to expect that amount is going to be forgiven and that we're going to not try to find a way to get that money paid back to me at some time. So take this stuff in consideration when you're hearing all this information out there, that nothing is done for free. And as we get past this particular junction in time, there will be a price to be paid. And for the banks, people who own mortgages, they will still, they might be putting you in a position where you may get foreclosed on, as well as if you're not paying your rent for a particular time, and in that you still want to be responsible for any back dues, and they're going to try to work with you in that. I know for myself and the tenants that I have, that you're going to do that in that perspective. So video is a little jumbled up, but just understand that nothing's done without free. And if they're promising you something with forbearance, and this is not widely spread amongst every city and every place, and it's a lot of moving parts and mechanics, and you have to do the work to see if that can even be done, there will be an expectation for that money to be paid back, or any amount of money forgiven. And don't be surprised if it's more than you can handle once that particular time is up, when they're giving you the option for that. If this video has been valued, please subscribe, leave some comments. Until my next video, be safe, and I'm out.